Ticket.info offers full functionality from desktop, mobile or tablet with its responsive user interface. No mobile apps are required to perform all ticket system and help desk actions. The only difference between the desktop and mobile interface is the placement of the main toolbar. When browsing from a desktop, the main toolbar is on the left. On a mobile device or tablet, the main toolbar is on the top. All customer help desk and ticket system actions are available and easily identified by their familiar menu icons. Just like on the desktop, clicking on a ticket opens the ticket details, staff assignment, status, and priority are all easily editable. When files are attached, they would appear under the file attachment icon. Just like on the desktop, the contact cards are available to view contact details and apply filters. For more information on contact cards, review the contact card video. Clicking the X on the ticket detail view closes the detail panel. The main toolbar filter button opens the filter panel. Filters are easily applied to tickets by entering the information you want to filter on and clicking on the Apply Filter button. Tickets that match your filter are displayed in the ticket list. Remove a filter by clicking on the X next to the filter criteria in the ticket list toolbar. Filters can be saved by clicking on the Save Filter icon, and then providing the filter with a name. Then clicking Save. Saved filters can be accessed by clicking on Saved Filters, and as mentioned, filters can be cleared by clicking the X next to the filter criteria. Quickly change assigned staff members using the Staff Member and Agent drop-down displayed on each ticket card on the ticket list. To view a ticket's details, click on a ticket card. The ticket details panel will be displayed. Click to expand the ticket conversation thread and see all replies. The entire ticket conversation is readily accessible by scrolling. File attachments are displayed in line and by clicking the file attachment icon in the ticket details header. Attachments can be downloaded by clicking on the download icon next to each file attachment. File attachments are also displayed in line in the ticket replies. Clicking on the inline file attachments will initiate a file download for the selected attachment. The edit icon allows the user to edit a previous reply that is in the ticket's conversation history. The jump to end icon will scroll the messages down to the most recent reply. Clicking the X will close the detail panel and return to the ticket list. Depending on the user permissions, the main toolbar gives the user access to the to-do list, to the watch list, access to the recent activities panel, as well as access to the consumer user list, staff members and agents, the company's list, products, and groups. The user can even initiate a video call with customers and staff. It is easy to see how Ticket.info's user interface increases efficiency on desktops and mobile devices.